nuts, Lily.
Yeah, cause girls is players too. Yeah, cause girls is players too. Keep playing, baby.
Can you focus on me?
Good morning, guys. Hey, kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. So if you're not following me on Instagram, I did a poll last week stating if you guys wanted to see a day in my life fitness edition or a butt workout or whatever, and the majority, well, a lot of y'all said in my DMs, a lot of y'all messaged me and was like, we want both, but you know.
BOFFUM. Both of them.
Today we're doing a day in my life. Honestly, I did not want to do the whole cinematic intro with like spreading my bed. Like, this is normally what I do. Got my shirt to the side because I always wear big t-shirts to bed. Laptop is over there for work because I decided to work from home today. Want to say hi to the camera. With this video, I just wanted to make sure that it was jam-packed with meals, smoothies that I make, things of that nature, just to show you guys like how I lost weight. A little background story. Stop touching the tripod. This was my starting weight. This is my second weight loss journey. I started in September 2022, almost 290 pounds, I believe. That was like my starting weight. I knew I was nearing 300, which is crazy. I'm 5'8.5". I'm only 24 years old, getting ready to be 25 this year. So this is what we are at now. I'm gonna be very transparent with y'all. I've gotten to 239, but then I fluctuate between 239 to like 246. Like, literally I go in between. I don't really count my weight. I go by what I see in the mirror. I feel like I definitely have some tips to give y'all because it's not only my first journey, it's my second journey. So it really is all about discipline and knowing what your body can handle and stuff. Let's get into the spend the day with me, and we're gonna make breakfast first because I'm starving. I might do voiceovers throughout this video. Some things I do like to keep cinematic type situation. I'll see you guys in a minute.
Yeah, I take it for the road. Yeah, I take a glass for the road. People change, you know how it go. Had to rearrange the digits on my phone. Feels like they wanna take the source off of me. Looking at mine like it's your property. When we just tryna ball properly. I ain't talking small, I want all the money. Hooper, rolling through your city, I'm a hooper. You do me, I'ma do ya. Full time, we gon' see who's the loser. Amen, hallelujah. Rolling through your city, I'm a hooper. You do me, I'ma do ya. Full time, we gon' see who's the loser. Yeah. I don't really understand how they think they know me cause they see me on the gram. We met last week, I ain't wanna be your man. It's like you wanna see me with a buggy in my hand. But that can't be me, no way. Cause I'm really trying to touch and go. Can't be stopped, man, I'm on a roll. Really trying to get.
I'm gonna go ahead and eat my breakfast and do some work on my work laptop.
Don't fly like I'm Jordan. Too high, touch the sky, you too low, so don't force it. Your girls on my, what do you?
It wasn't that good. It was not that good. Definitely very important when it comes to health and fitness throughout the day, the water. Well, I just finished doing a bit of work. What I'm gonna go ahead and do now, because I am preparing to get ready to go to the gym, I'm gonna be going around lunchtime. I believe there's not gonna be that many people in there. I don't really care, to be honest. That's another thing. The gym gives you so much confidence. I promise you, I boost my own head up. Go ahead and prep this chicken. It's like a go-to meal day. Like, breakfast was a go-to. The dinner, technically a go-to because I always eat chicken and rice most of the time. Go ahead and set up the marination for that. And then shortly after, we're gonna do a little get ready with me for the gym. Period. It's also around the time of day where I start taking my supplements and I need a water fill up. I'm screaming. If you haven't seen like the TikTok video that I made, the only liquid chlorophyll that I ever used was Benevolent Nourishment. It has like a slight mint taste to it. I don't know what that's about, but here's the brand, the box, and I got it from off of Amazon, I believe. The serving size that you guys always keep asking me, and it's so funny because TikTok, you literally make the video and like answer someone's question, and like 13 people ask the same question. But 15 drops is the serving size. 5, 6, 7. Actually, I try to take chlorophyll every day, and I took fenugreek and slippery elm yesterday, so I try to take them every other day. I just don't feel like taking those every day. It does work. Both of those work beautifully. For dinner, I'm going to be making boneless, or these chicken thighs. with brown rice, and I got this from Aldi's. It's dripping all over the floor. Got my fave, this brown basmati rice. Aldi's is top tier.
I used to see visions of you and me, so happy. It's over now, you're gone away. Still I can feel your energy. Someday your DNA, oh babe. Must be a fool. Why you wanna see me so cold? All that I'm asking for is all because of you. You always having such bad luck. Don't you take my sweetness for a weakness, baby? Yeah, love or lust, I don't wanna fuck this up. Tell me what you need, girl. You know I put my all in you. When you're not here, I'm calling you. If I die, I'm haunting you. Yeah. You fool. Why you wanna see me so cold? All that I'm asking for is because of you.
All right, guys, so we finished marinating the chicken. I'm one of those gym girlies that like to, you know, take a shower and clean myself before I go to the gym. Really more so like a bird bath type situation, like, you know, just cleaning all the bits and bops so that like I smell fresh. I know, like I don't like smelling other people in gyms. I definitely don't want to smell myself. Now today, definitely not gonna do that because I took a shower last night and I didn't go anywhere. Like I literally been in the house, so there's no need to. But if I was coming home from work, that would be something that I would do. I definitely wanted to go ahead and introduce a partnership for this video. Dossier is a perfume company that allows you to get the scent, you know, any type of luxury perfume scent. Y'all know I got Chanel, Versace, YSL, things of that nature. It's basically the dupe of that perfume. Their main motto is they want you to smell like luxury without, you know, giving that luxury feel with the prices and everything. For this collaboration, they gave me 6 different perfumes, which I'm so thankful. I love Dossier fam, like they're great. What the packaging looks like is just gonna come into one of these boxes. Iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. Love it, period. My 2 favorite fragrances to go to the gym are definitely Fruity Oakmoss, and dupe for this one is Creed Aventus for Her. So if you've ever had Creed Aventus, like you can get this exact same perfume. And you now can purchase Dossier perfumes in Walmart, so definitely hit Walmart up and you will see this in the perfume area. Then we also have a Floral Rhubarb, which is a dupe for this one is the Marc Jacobs Perfect, and I have smelled Marc Jacobs Perfect and it smells just like this one. Fruity, clean, spring scent. So honestly, if you guys want like a really nice spring scent for yourself, Floral Rhubarb is great, but this is another perfume that I wear for the gym. Honestly, just regular day to day as well, but I definitely throw this on a little bit for the gym if I want to smell like really clean, girly, and fresh. Links and everything will be in the description box for these 2 perfumes. I love Dossier and they continue to keep sending me the goods.
I'm in London, I like to go and shop at the mall. Shop at the Prada, shop at the store. Shop in the drop and stop into York. Louis Vuitton, cover my toes.
All right, y'all, so it's getting real. We're getting ready to go to the gym. I don't know why I'm pointing this way, whatever. Y'all know my go-tos, L-glutamine, that's what I take, and the kiwi strawberry oxy shred. Literally the only reason why I've been using this only flavor is because this is the only one I have. I will start buying the other ones. It is about like $30 a bottle, so we're gonna wait till this one's done. OxyShred definitely works as basically my pre-workout. It's a fat burner. It's just a thermogenic fat burner. They do have pre-workouts, and I'm not being sponsored, by the way. I just love OxyShred. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and mix these up, and yeah, you're just gonna see me when I get ready, when I drink my stuff. So now it's time to start my hair. First things first though, music. Because now I got the pre going. Just recently switched to non-secular music, so I've been listening to lit gospel music. Period.
Hallelujah. Second, that's rapper, that's reverend, that started with Jesus, but now they finna be like what they gon' do, send us to heaven.
Singing with Smiley, speaking me highly. Tryna go Kylie, I wake up finally, suffering silently.
Day for me, I'm a fraud when you sing, then you show your toes. You see what I mean? You can't see that, but every day you still gon' breathe. I feel like I'm out of range. I had to stop and just ping. Got me scared like it's raining. Yo, got me greasy. Got him and pass me the ball. Pull up and everybody cool. I can't go.
Checking the finance, checking the finance, choosing the finest. That's the environment. I'm at the timing, I'm at the timings. AP, ooh, I'm checking my timing. Ooh. Cleaning my watch, cleaning the top. Cleaning my job, I got a job. Kicking.
Booty so big, word, Lord, have mercy.
I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like you do. All those love emojis, you can get up in between. You're trying to get a piece of me. I can teach you the perfect. Why you looking at me like anybody you know? Choice. If I go quick, beg you be on your knees. You like God, oh, you can't get this body. He say he like that lovey. He's so goofy, call me daddy. He goes stupid, he go daffy. Introduce me to his baby. He can never live without me. I'm so real, I never capping. If he got it like that, I can take it down. 'Cause my
Booty so big, word, Lord, have mercy.
I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like you do. All these love emojis, you can get up in between. You're trying to get a piece of me. I can teach you the perfect. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like you do. All these love emojis, you can get up in between. You're trying to get a piece of me. I can teach you the perfect. How to surf a man, how to work a man. It's on purpose, I'm doing it big. Body language like speaking Spanish. I'll educate you how to do this shit. Temporary, that's temporary. I'm necessary, yeah, I am that. You can't get this body. He say he like that lovey. He's so goofy, call me daddy. He goes stupid, he go daffy. Introduce me to his baby. He can never live without me. I'm so real, I never capping. If he got it like that, I can take it down. That's my
Booty so big, word, Lord,
Lord
have mercy.
I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like you do. All those love emojis, you can get up in between. You're trying to get a piece of me. I can teach you the perfect. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like I do. I keep pausing like you do. All these love emojis, you can get up in between. You're trying to get a piece of me. I can teach you the perfect.
Alright guys, so that was basically my leg day, or what I would go through for legs, quads, a little bit of glutes. I didn't want to do too heavy on glutes because I typically do Thursdays is like a heavy glute day. So I would have done my leg extensions and stuff like that. So on the machine and then the kickbacks. Typically I come in here and do my little body update. I don't know if y'all know this, but I did not do that many but thigh workouts. Like that was really just like, if you stick to like a good 4 or 5 and can be consistent and up your weight, you will see results, guys. Like, look. See you guys when we get up to the yoga room upstairs.
She's so persuasive, that marijuana. She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be so persuasive, that marijuana? She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be? Feel like the feeling of a suppressed. Feel like I got no breath. Feel like I need it. Rest. Feel it's the season I should let go, and that's the reason I'm about more. Feel it's the season I should fly so low. I'm so sedated.
That was the workout. That was the full workout for today. Like I said, it was legs, hammies, and like quad focus. Basically, lower body day with a splash of glutes. We got some abs in, of course, today. So this is a typical day that I normally do. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and stretch it out. And then on the E. So I have to go get a package from the Amazon from our hub. It's some new sneakers, so some cute little red sneakers. I've gotten the yellow versions on Shein before, but I wanted to try red, so fingers crossed that they're cute. Got the package. I know they did not put it in this makeshift Yeezy box. This is a Shein shoe, but these are like the Yeezy inspired shoes from Shein. So yes, they look really. Why do I keep dropping stuff all day? So I had the yellow versions of these, and they're so cute. Like, look at how sturdy. Like, I literally got so many compliments on the yellow versions, so I had to get the red. I am going to go ahead and put this chicken in the oven, but this is garlic honey chicken, so I'm gonna be putting some honey on it, like, wow. After it's like the first round of it cooking, I'm gonna put honey on it after. Go ahead and do that and then take my shower.
Look at her. Look at her, mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa.
Alright, you guys, so I am getting ready to close the video out. I hope you guys enjoyed the day in the life fitness edition. I definitely will be doing a butt workout next for you guys, like as far as fitness goes. I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching, of course, all the way through. You're rolling. Period. Now I included like on Instagram saying that I was gonna like include a smoothie. I'll do that separately because today I did not feel the need to drink a protein smoothie before I ate chicken. Like, if I left anything out, I'm sorry. Let me know in the comments if I left something out. I hope you guys try out the workouts. Let me know if you try out the meals too. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye. You wanna say bye? Oh no. Bye y'all.
Be your muse, bring your easel and pencils. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight.